Hello, friends. Welcome once again to sixth class. In today's class, we'll be talking about conjunction as a connective. Imagine as a student leaving the house this morning and you said to your mom, Mom, when I return from school, I would like to eat rice and beans. Look at this. You say, Mom, when when I return from school, I will like to eat rice or sorry, rice and beans. Now, if you look at this statement, Mom, when I return from school, I would like to eat rice and beans. You discover that there is a connective here, and that connective is what? And. The connective is and. Now, look closely. I want to use an alphabet. I want to use P to represent I would like to eat rice. I want to use P to represent rice and Q to represent beans. Now, P to represent rice and Q to represent beans. Now, putting this in logical statement, it becomes P and Q. That is, I would like to eat rice and beans. Now, this very statement, now imagine now when you return from school, now you discover that what is available in the house is rice and no beans as a student. Will you have something to eat? The answer is no, because the condition is there must be rice and beans. So if I decide to put this in truth table, I would choose P for rice and Q for beans. Now, when you return, then P and Q, which is this, P and Q. Now, when you return from school, there is rice, which is truth. No, there is also beans, which is truth. Now, when you return, there is rice, which is truth, and no beans. There is no rice, there is beans. There is no rice, and there is no beans. Now, these are the four conditions we can have. You can return there is rice and there is beans. So you discover that these two statements meet your condition, that you want to eat rice and beans. Now, since there is rice and there is beans, then you have something to eat. It is truth. There is rice, no beans. Of course, you have nothing to eat here because here the condition is that there must be rice and beans. So we say it is false. There is no rice and there is beans. It is also false. There is no rice and there is no beans. Probably if you were presented swallow, you discover that it will be false. So in all, the summary of this is whenever you have a logical statement and the first statement is truth and the second one is truth, then it gives you truth. So that is the only condition where and as a connective gives you a truth value when both statements are truth. If both statements are truth, is truth. Otherwise, every other statement, every other thing is false. So this is all about conjunction as a connective. Thanks for viewing and God bless.